Here I've got Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So the quick method is to swipe down the upper bar and simply click on battery saver icon. That's it. Now low power solution is active. Here you've got the red line, so you are aware of the fact that the battery is been saved, and then you can switch it off by tapping on this switcher. If you would like to open it through the settings, just open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down, locate and select battery, and now here you can see the percentage of your battery, and now you can simply switch on and off battery saver here, and then switch off the same way. You can also activate standby intelligent power saving, and I truly recommend it. Simply click on it, and now your device will intelligently and automatically save power in your Doogee S55 Lite. So that's it. This is how you can save battery in your Doogee. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.